Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we'll learn how to gift a DashPass membership. If you don't have a DoorDash account yet, we will include our affiliate link in the description below so you can sign up. First, go to the website, DoorDash.com, and click Sign In on the upper right corner of the screen. Then, enter your email address and a verification code will be sent to you. Please check the phone number or email address you provided for the verification code and enter it into the boxes shown on the screen. After successfully logging in, you will see that the left side of the screen has different tabs. At the bottom of the screen, you will see an Account tab. Click on the Account tab. Once you click on the Account tab, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Manage DashPass. Scroll down until you see Gift a DashPass membership, click this one. Here, you can choose the months you want to give as a gift. After choosing the months, you can now enter the recipient's name and email address, and your custom message. You can also choose when to send the gift, just click the button that says Now and the calendar will be shown. Take note that the gift can be sent up to 3 months into the future. The next step is to choose the payment type. You can select from the existing payment type you have added to your DoorDash account, or you can add a new payment method. Just scroll down until you see Add a new payment method and enter the necessary details. Double check all the details you entered. And once everything is correct, you can click Send DashPass gift card. That's how you gift a DashPass membership. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our recommended resources in the description below.